John Maxwell told the story of Harriet Tubman. She was a black slave that escaped and decided to return to lead many other blacks out of slavery. They went through things called the Underground Railway, which was sort of a passage for blacks escaping slavery. Now, people believed in her so much that they called her Moses. But she had no formal education. Why would people trust her so much, trust in her leadership so much? This is the law of respect. The law of respect says that people will follow others that have a higher leadership ability than themselves. Now, this is so very important in developing self-leadership. Why? Before you can lead others, you must be able to lead yourself. Nobody will follow you if you can't lead yourself. So, having a strong sense of respect from others is critical in developing your self-leadership. But respect is earned, it can't be demanded. So how do you develop this respect with others? One thing that was very clear in Harriet Tubman's story was her sense of conviction. She once said that I have a right to one of two, either freedom, liberty, or death. That was how strong she believed in her conviction. She knew that she ought to be free and she was going to do everything possible to get it. Now, this strength of conviction inspired so many other people that made them believe that she can lead them also to freedom. That's why they called her Moses. This tells us that having a strong sense of conviction, a strong set of values that you believe in, would number one give you a sense of direction for your own life. And that direction, when it is very strong and clear, will inspire other people who seek to go somewhere similar to follow you. That is what the law of respect essentially is. So having a strong sense of values, a strong sense of conviction cannot be overemphasized. The second thing I'd like to say is that to develop respect with others, you must be credible. Credible in that your actions are consistent. People can bank on what you say you're going to do. People can bank on how they think you're going to react to a situation. That credibility is very important in helping people decide to follow you. Actually, it's not a decision. People can sense stronger leadership when they see it, and they naturally tend to follow stronger leadership. So that's what I learned today and what I wanted to share. Developing your sense of values, making it crystal clear to yourself and then also to others is very important to develop respect with them. And as a side note, I'll talk about social media. Some people have several millions of followers, but when push comes to shove, nobody is going to follow their advice or let them inspire their lives. That shows that number of followers on social media is just a metric. It doesn't account to real life influence many times. So do not be distracted by what you see on social media in terms of how many people respond or engage with your post, but strive to develop a clear brand of your values and push that to others. Then you will have real influence with other people. I hope this video was useful and it blessed you. I'll see you tomorrow.